our clarion call to us to entrench constitutionalism and democratic principles. As the Congress theme highlights, we must return to our founding principles and values of peace, love, tolerance, and solidarity. These values are sacred and in themselves denounce the use of violence on any person for political gain. I implore you as members of the party to demand of these values from ZANU-PF and from those among us in the party and in the opposition camp, so that they respect constitutions and they adhere to the values and principles of those political parties. Let me be clear that as your leader, I have zero tolerance for violence and hate language and lawlessness. As your servant, I shall listen to your advice with the leadership endorsed today. I am confident I will not fail you. These men and women who have accepted your nominations are of great caliber and will carry your mandate to deliver a new and better Zimbabwe. We shall hold each other accountable to respect both the party and the national constitution.